Tēnā koutou katoa and welcome to another Kirikiriroa Explorers adventure online called Camilla Toku Ingoa. My name is Camilla and this week we're making fairy houses. Now the first part is finding a good location for your fairy house. It might be somewhere in your garden or it could be inside as well. The next part, the really exciting part, is finding the different things that you can use to decorate your fairy house. You might find lots of things in your garden, but Fern and I are going to go around the block. If you're going around the block, don't forget to take a good bag to collect all the different items in. Anything that's interesting, I'm sure we can find a use for it. When we get back from the walk, we'll have a go at actually making the house. Hit the pause button! We're off on our adventure. Should we go?
Yeah!
I found something that I want to use in my fairy house. What have you found, Finn?
I found lots of stuff. Some grass.
Nice spiky leaves.
A leaf. Oh, and this can be a chair.
This is definitely something I want to pick up. Found so many treasures.
I know, and
Well, we've got a whole bucket of treasures now, so we're going to head back home and make our fairy homes. We're back from our walk and now we're going to try and find a good spot to build our fairy house.
yeah!
Where do you think, Finn?
Over here.
Some shelter, a bit of space. Perfect location. I've made a banquet station for my fairies. Can you tell me what you've done, Finn?
So, these are the two beds for the mum and dad, to sleep over in. And this is my little fairy's bed.
So there we have it, building fairy houses in our garden. We hope you had fun. Please send me a photo or a video of what you've created. And see you again next week. Ka kite!